Um, what's next? The European HPC cloud platform. Andreas Ocklenburg from Germany. Where is he? Oh, he's here. Wonderful. You're the next one. And well, I don't think we need to talk about Brexit. We're going to do that a bit later when our colleague from Great Britain's going to be here. And then we can discuss that. Andreas, please.
And thank you for the opportunity to present here our new startup out of the project Cloudsme. And we created a European HPC platform. And this is dedicated to the deployment and management and on-demand usage of simulation software. So a little bit about our history. We started in July 2013 with this project Cloudsme. And we received at least a funding from about 4.5 million euros. At least we are dedicated to and was the faster uptake of simulation technologies, especially in the market of small and medium companies in Europe. So, and out of the project, we just funded a startup, and we started beginning of this year with the commercial operation of this startup. The project ended at least in March of this year. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the company. The company is funded by 8 former project partners from 6 different countries. And we also created then an advisory board with our academic experts. And we registered the company in Germany, in Duisburg especially. And so I'm the CEO right there. Our CTO is Nicola Fantini, and our chair of our advisory board is Tamas Kiss from the University of Westminster. And our main business is at least running and operating the Cloudsme HPC platform. I will explain it a little bit further. So what makes us different from other HPC platforms? So we are dedicated to the on-demand usage of computational resources with full scalability. And we are specialized on the needs of simulation, of the usage of simulation software on the cloud platform. And our cloud platform is a European development connected with European data centers. And this combination just to have a European platform combined with different European HPC data centers. This combination makes us unique on the European market. And for sure, we are independent from any other global player. So there's no underlying technology, maybe from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or whatever. But for sure, we are connected with Amazon platform for computing operations. So let me explain a little bit our platform. And for the first, I like to say, so we are owning no own simulation software. We are owning no data centers. So we are just a platform. You see it in the triangle in the middle. From the lower left side, the ISVs and VIRs, so the application provider, are able to put or to deploy their software, their application on our Cloudsme platform. And once they are deployed there, they are able to connect it with different HPC resources and with different HPC or cloud infrastructures. And this also, we are connected to commercial cloud infrastructures and commercial HPC centers, but for sure we are also connected with academic resources. So this afternoon we are signing a memorandum of understanding together with the EGI initiative here in Amsterdam. And okay, so at the top there are software end users, so the companies which likes to use a special solution from a special company or special application, typical simulation application, comes to our platform and pick an app in our app center just to fulfill their needs. Okay, our mission. is at least enabling, we got an enabling technology to use a full stack of cloud computing technologies in an easy, efficient, affordable, and secure way. And this leads us to our main offers. This means modeling and simulation as a service, and also HPC as a service. So our vision also is growing our business. We are just working on this, and we like to support and collaborate with other research and innovation projects. We like to activate our international business, and our international shareholders are also playing a little bit the role in the future to be something like distribution points all over Europe. And due to our evolution, we like to become a competent center for simulation, cloud, and HPC computing. So, what will be your benefit using the Cloud SME platform? So, at least the Cloud SME platform is a managed platform with support and advice. And it's the development and production infrastructure. It's independent from any underlying resource. We got many different commercial and academic resources on our platform you are able to use there. And we are offering quite an easy way to commercialize your application on our platform. At least if it's a simple SaaS model, it takes not more than 30 minutes to deploy it right there to create at least an app and with complete sharing of the underlying resources. So the software provider will get some part of the money, the used resource will get money, the platform will get money, and this is all an automated process, and this enables us, if you have an application you like to deploy, it's very easy, it's simple, and it takes, in the simplest model, not more than 30 minutes. It's a little bit theory about this, but it works. So, the platform also provides absolutely transparent documentations of jobs, usage of resources, and at least cost. And what we discovered also is that there is quite a big interest in the market to use our platform, something like a white label product. So I will explain it a little bit later. So what are our commercial offerings? So simulation application can be published and directly executed. Our awarded platform technology has enabled smoothly, for example, CFD calculations, and also this, what I explained before, fast-track deployment and a great variety of cloud integration methods. So, and for example, we are also supporting Docker on our platform. So, our next further commercial offerings, provision of access to heterogeneous commercial and private cloud resources, as well as European supercomputing centers. As far as I know, we are now connected with 8 different HPC resources all over Europe, and we are working on this to expand this in the future. But this depends at least on our customers and on their wishes. So if a customer now comes to us and likes to connect dedicated data centers to our platform, it's not too much work for us to realize that and to connect these data centers then to our platform. So security. Security is a big issue, and in our plan for the next month and for the next years, we like to certificate our platform under the German law and on the European law, so that we are able to offer a really certified, secure platform. From the technology point of view, every connection is secured at the moment. The data isn't encrypted if it's stored at the moment, so that's maybe an issue we have to work on for the future. But at least at the moment we are able to offer quite a secure solution. So, and for sure, what we also recognized is, so the first idea in our project was something like to have something like a do-it-yourself platform, so that everybody who is an expert in this area is able to work without any support. But we also we also we have seen in the past that this is not real. So our customers need support, and therefore we have support. We have many support instruments in the background from the technical point of view, also from the business model point of view, and yeah, and the people are quite interested to use this. So let me shortly talk about the main technology components. So we have the Cloudsme platform, we have the App Center. This App Center is nothing more than a row of commercial components who are sitting on the platform. And we also have the VSP grade GUs framework. So the technology, this layer there, I don't want to talk too much about this. You see the platform, you see the underlying, here the underlying HPC centers. And let me, that's the view on the Cloudsme App Center, the Cloudsme platform. You are invited to visit it right there. But I like to tell one representative business scenario. We are just really contracted with DHCAE, so they are offering our services on their website as a white label integration. So DHCAE created a professional open form solver and also a GUI, so something like a desktop software also for setting up the CFD model. And if you got this software, you are able to choose where you like to compute. So in one side, you like to compute it on the local area on your own PC, but when the model becomes bigger, you can also just see that all the functions are available for access in a toolbar. So you are able to run your calculations directly in the cloud via our platform. But at least it's a white label usage of our product, and there's only one sign on the website powered by Cloudsme. So, and this is one of our first real working business use cases. So now I actually want to skip a little bit, and I like to tell you what we are working right on. Business we are currently just working on is, for example, Austrian Institute for Mechatronics running their own cluster. And they asked us how to extend their computing capacity with our Cloudsme platform. And we just created an adapter for their Condor system, and we are just working on this use case. Quite a big company asked us if we are the right platform to publish their software products, which aren't at the moment available in Europe. And I think this would be a nice thing if we are able to make an arrangement, a contract with this company, and to present at least their CAE applications. And something interesting, a classical provider asked us to extend their products with something like server on demand. So normally we are thinking like on this way on application on demand. They are asking for server on demand, and for sure we are talking with them, and it might become also a concrete business model in the future. And I think my time is gone, and I have to say thank you for your audience and for your listening. Thank you.